Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Dom back with another makeup tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this lovely pink dramatic extended cut crease along with some pink chunky glitter. This look is super cute, super poppin', and it's really easy and super fun to do. Great news everybody! Lush Legacy is officially open. To go ahead and find the website, just type in www.shoplushlegacy.com or simply search Shop Lush Legacy on Google and the website will come up. Go ahead and check out my newest products. I got lip scrubs, lip glosses, eyelashes, body butters, body scrubs, all things like that. Right now I have a couple of sales going on. Make sure you go ahead and check out the website. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram for our newest deal. I have a great giveaway coming up. Right now I have lashes on sale, both 25mm minks and 3D minks. Jumping into our first palette, we're starting out with the Douce palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going out with that nice beige color. This is going to be one of our transitional bases, and I'm putting this right underneath my brow bone before switching to our next color. Now we're going to go ahead and start building on our eyeshadow. We're going for our new color. This is a super light pink. It is very close in saturation to that beige, and we're doing this because we want to build our eyeshadows. We want a nice seamless transition from our beiges to our light pinks and then to our deeper pinks. In that same palette, we're actually going for a little bit deeper pink. This is more like a bubblegum pink. And this is going to go right in that cut crease area. So as you can see, I already have three different areas of eyeshadow. I have the brow bone, the mid brow bone, and then in that crease. And you're going to bring that deep pink all the way out towards the tip of your brow, because this is where we're going to have our dramatic cut crease. Next, we're going to go ahead and start to deepen our crease. We're going in with the Queen's palette, also by Juvia's Place. And this is like a darker magenta, matte hot pink type of color. And this is going to go in the cut crease area as well. And you're really going to go ahead and start defining that extended cut crease. So right now I'm using a harder brush, and this is going to help me pack on a lot of the color and then basically shape out that line that I want to go ahead and achieve. So now that I have the shape of the extended wing that I want, I'm going ahead and I'm blending all of my pinks together just to make sure everything is really nice and clean before we go ahead and start to cut our cut crease. Okay, so I've been really feeling the whole Vaseline product to cut your crease. It works absolutely great for me. I freaking love it. So I'm using a little bit of Vaseline or petroleum oil. Mine happens to be cocoa butter, but it really doesn't make a difference. I'm going in with a small brush, and I'm only putting a little bit of product to basically carve out the crease that I want. And then I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow remover or makeup remover with a Q-tip, and I'm going to wipe away all that excess product. That way I have a nice, clean, sharp line. things that I do to make sure I get my line super creased is I put a lot of pressure when I'm trying to wipe away that product. That way I get a super straight line. So now we're going to go ahead and start the next base. I'm going in with the Revolution Refine and Define Concealer in C1. This is a thick, very opaque concealer. This is actually my favorite one. And I've tried a few and this one works the best for me. So I'll go ahead and put most of my product down, and then I'm going in with a flat brush just to really clean up that line, and then I kind of like do like a tap or a pat motion just to smooth all of the concealer out and everything lays evenly. So because C1 isn't a pure white, I'm actually going to go ahead with the the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going for that matte white. It's the closest thing that I have to, like, you know, a white concealer, and I'm going to try to saturate and make everything white because right now it kind of has like a yellowish tinge, which I don't really want. So go ahead, make all of your eyeshadow area white, and then we're going to go ahead and start our process over, starting with the bubblegum pink, and I'm going ahead and try to follow that line that I've already created. Now I'm only putting this on the bottom part of my lid because I still want you to see that white layer on top, so be very close. Be very careful when you're doing this. I probably should have cut my crease a little bit higher because when I went in to put my eyeliner, I didn't have that much space to work with. So just be mindful of that. Going back into the Queen's palette, I'm going back into that deep, like, hot pink, and I'm actually going to put it underneath that bubblegum pink. I'm trying to get that same blended or gradient effect, but like I said, I didn't cut my crease high enough, so I lost a lot of that bubblegum pink that I put down before. New product alert. We're going to be using a chunky glitter by Lush Legacy. It will be out for sale September 15th on the website. This is the rose gold or the rose pink chunky glitter, and I'm going to be applying this. See, look at that. That's, oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, sorry. So I'm going to be putting this on the cut crease area where we have that white line. I'm not going to do the entire line. I just want like the beginning corners of my eye. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with an adhesive base. I didn't show it in the video and I'm sorry, but you need a sticky base so the chunky glitter will lay. So I went in with a sticky base, which is my base booster, and I went ahead and then applied the chunky glitter on top of that, going about halfway, trying to fade or feather out how much chunky glitter I use towards the end. Okay, now for the lashes. Again, we're going with our Lush Legacy lashes. I absolutely love this case. Oh my god. Yes, but the lashes that we're using, we're going with our 3D Minks, and these are Paris. They're like a staggered lash. I absolutely love them. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and everything and come back. Boom. What do you guys think? Isn't this cute? Right? So I did my foundation and everything. I have a little bit of blush, but we're gonna go ahead and finish the look. I'm going in with a black pencil liner. This is gonna go on the waterline just to make our eyes look more dramatic. And now we're gonna move on to our highlight. As you guys know, I always use the Kiss Rose Professional Shimmer Highlight, and I'm gonna add a little bit to my nose and to the top part of the brow bone. I'm not gonna put it in my tear duct today because we're actually gonna go in with some silver loose glitter. I'm using a base booster to make everything sticky, and then I'm gonna go with my silver glitter. moving on to our facial highlighter, I am using the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter. This is in shade Bubbly. And I'm only adding a slight amount. I don't like a whole lot of highlighter. It just doesn't work for my face. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our lips. I'm going in with a brown lip pencil. It is called Hot Cocoa by Nabi. And I'm only outlining my lip, hence lip liner. And then we're going to go in with our Lush Legacy lip glosses. The first lip gloss that we're going to use is Dutchess, and it is like a honey brown lip gloss. It's a nude, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's probably my favorite. Like, you cannot go wrong with Dutchess at all. Then we're going to follow up with a coral shimmer lip gloss, and this is called Orgasm. Honey, boom, the look is done. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. I don't like pink. Pink is not my color, but I think this came out really good. It might just be the hair, but you guys let me know what you guys think about it in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.